Okay, let's work through this and see what's going on. So it says here that a company has budgeted fixed overheads of 400,000 and budgeted output of 20,000 units, which means that we are saying that for every unit that we produce, we will put in 20 pounds, isn't it? That's 20 pounds of overhead in every unit, into the accounts with every unit. So actual output, so that's the budget. So the budget is nicely here at 400,000. We can see it. Hopefully by now you've done enough of these and you're there. Actual output is 21,000 units. You actually produce 21,000 units and that times 20. So your accounts are currently showing 420,000. That's what's showing in your accounts. Um, your accounts are showing 420,000. So here we are. This is what you really have, 400, because it's like a flex budget, isn't it? It's like a flex. But what actually happened was 450,000. So your variance is saying that, listen, you have a 30,000 adverse variance. That's what it's saying from your accounting. But we want to fix that. We want to actually understand what really happened. So the first point is to do with volume. You should never have touched this. So you need to bring this down from 420,000 back to the original budget. And so the volume variance is just the difference between the two. This is actually a nice question, I think. The difference between 420 and 400,000, bringing that volume, which is favorable, down. Just 20,000, you're over-absorbed in effect. So bring that down, if you like, at 20,000 favorable, right? Now that it's down to 400,000, we now compare it with what actually happened, which was 450, and we say, well, oof, that's 50,000 adverse. Well, how did that happen? So those two together, I imagine that the table wants me to do this. This is nothing we can find out the layout, but if you understand what's going on, these two things together give you your 30,000 variance and explain why your accounting based on your flexed budget is different to what actually happened, right? So remember, all budgeting is based on comparing a flex with the actual event. Great, great stuff. So you can do 106.